Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day, Friday 3 May 2024. Today I will trade long Aussie Yen New Zealand and short US Swiss and CAD. At the end of this video, I'll show you my favorite trade idea for today. Dollar index, well, fading further. The dollar most likely wants to retest here, as I've said, the flag pattern break. Just the false break and then aggressive move to the opposite direction. Well, now this potential is on that I can get a test here. Short, medium and long term still very bullish on the dollar. Intraday, dollar actually dropped like a rock. Can't believe the yen got so strong. But all right, let's focus on the dollar here. So on a weak dollar, definitely, well, I say definitely, I'm hoping to see a retest here. And then I'll make up my mind again what I will be doing on the intraday basis. But the rest still very bullish. I can't say that this is a bearish pattern at all. But on intraday, we're looking at some bearishness. If you look at this bigger flag pattern that the dollar is making, this could still show some bearishness on the long term coming in. It's just something I spotted recently, but not something I focus on at present. What I'm trying to say is that we actually got a potential that this can be weak on intraday basis, on the short term side even up to a retest here yet again on the moving averages. So that's all on the chart, and then the coup de grace will be there for the dollar index yet again. Just something to consider over the next month or so. With a weaker dollar, we're seeing some strength on gold, but no real action coming in. You can see here it did bounce off the support level here, very strong level at the $2,300 levels, but the charts are very lethargic. They don't want to move. With a weak dollar like this, I would expect gold flying. So I'm getting a little bit worried about any gold bullishness. We sit here with a triangle forming now again. Okay, so it's another pattern forming. We haven't seen the flag playing out yet. The flag playing out would be at $2,200. This pattern here, the triangle, if this is going to take out these lows, I guess then we will see some serious drops in the market. And if I look at the triangle here, and I take this distance here from there to there, and I then extend it to any form of breakout, that's still coming down to 2230. So I still feel with the bearishness that I see here, that 2200 is still on the charts. However, what holds it back is the dollar weakness. But the slightest of dollar strength we're going to get, this is going to drop like a rock. That was the short area. My trading robot shorted. If you are a bear, there's nothing wrong shorting that. I'm worried about a weak dollar because that would negate the bearishness, and it might not turn into a very nice easy move. In Bitcoin finding support here at this falling bottom line of the flag pattern, the ones I marked in black. The red lines I just leave there, guys, for if it ever retraces there. It is a little bit negated at this stage because we've seen new lows now, so I don't think that pattern has got that big influence anymore, but I'm going to leave it there that we can learn from it and see what happens when it gets there in the future. But Bitcoin finding support, I will not buy at all. There's no divergences, even price making new lows, indicator make new lows, so there's no divergences coming in. We actually had a little bit of a bearish divergence at that area there, if you look at that. So there was even a bearish divergence showing that, but we don't get a bullish divergence. So there's really nothing showing us that it wants to go up. We're starting to see a little channel coming in from these lows there and there and there. So that was also a little bit of a channel coming in. Nothing I will do with that. It's just technical analysis showing us if the market retraces back there and it stays in the channel, we could see another drop to test it again. So I don't spot strength, nothing. It's just very sideways. And for now, I'm still not keen on buying. Then the pound US, still very nice triangle. The retracement back to 50-61%, still good at structure here. I'm keen on those levels, but we got the break of the triangle. So the breakout there, now the retest and a counter reversal. I like that. Pound neutral, but dollar is the one I want to be short in. I'm going long on the pound. US will give me the short of the dollar. So I'm keen on the retest and then a strong counter reversal. Aussie Swiss also making this triangle. So there's two ways we can go with it. Either the retracement back to this level here, these two levels actually, or then the breakout. Aussie got all the sparkle. Yen is fighting for that first spot, amazingly. But Aussie has got all the sparkle. Swiss quite neutral, so I'm after the Aussie long. So a break and a retest and a candle reversal, that will confirm this pattern as structure. Other than that, I will wait for the Fibonacci levels, the retracement, and then see if I can take any trades from these lows. Then Aussie New Zealand, not my favorite, both the same color in general. Aussie New Zealand, not my favorite. It's like trading the euro pound. But retracement back to 61% level, still keen. I'm still keen on that to see what happens here. But they're getting a little bit too close to each other up there, so I'll see by the time it gets down there. New Zealand's got good strength. Although the Aussie is stronger, New Zealand overall pushing quite hard. So we might not see something, but I'm going to keep it on my watch list in case. I can even extend it now to that support level there. Right, that 50% level there. I'll even watch that level for some long setups. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out their link in the description. Pound CAT, well, pound neutral. CAT and in the red zone. I'm after the short and the CAT, and the pound CAT long will give me the short and the CAT. Now, the retest happened of the 50%. It even touched the 61%, but I wasn't after that level. Finding support, but no candle reversals. So I'm going to look for another test there. Maybe a little double bottom can form, or another candle reversal can happen here. So at this stage, I'm just waiting patiently. As I said, I'm after the CAT short, and that's something I want to go long on here. In the Euro US also, the flag pattern break. I'm looking for the retest, the candle reversal. Euro, red, dollar, red. They are stronger. The Euro is stronger than the US. But I must say, I think the other currencies that I showed the patterns on is more lucrative than this one. But you know what? One never know. By the time it retests and reverse, that picture might change completely. And then I'm going to be sorry for myself if I miss a trade like that. So for now, I'm still keeping this on my watch list. You know, Aussie US, nice swing, retracement back to the 50-61%. Aussie, all the sparkle, dollar, all the weakness. So this is the ideal pair to be long in, but I'm not going to buy right at that resistance levels. Hopefully that will retrace and give us a long setup, maybe this afternoon or on Monday. The New Zealand Swiss, also a very nice pattern, forming very sideways. But let's see, New Zealand stronger, Swiss neutral. So let the bulls prove themselves. Okay, they are close to each other, but by the time it breaks out, they should move further apart. So I would like to see the break, the retest, and then a candle pattern reversing bullish, confirming the structure of this pattern. So something to definitely watch for later today. My favorite trade idea for today is along on the New Zealand US. You can see New Zealand green zone, dollar definitely very weak. But I like this. We had this little ABC, and now the retest of this last swing back to exactly the 61% level, right at market structure there. That's the ones I love. That's the ones I prefer the most, when they all come together so sweetly. New trend starting just now. I know it's very sideways here, so maybe that makes the trade a bit risky. But you can see here, support. There's everything happening, something when we get to this level. And then clearly marked there and on the retest, the 61%. So this is the one I'm definitely going to watch today for some longs. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. I've been trading since 2003. And if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the link in the description to join my mentorship program. You can support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker from the link below, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risks, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.